It's very, very difficult to work out when this idea actually started, because there was that many people involved and there was that many things that had to come together to make it an idea. It had to be fun, but it also had to be a business-like sort of place as well. It also had to be a place that a new business could come in, a new entrepreneur could come in and actually feel like they were going to learn something and make something, do something different.
I had total faith that we could create something, but what the something was, that was the problem. I wasn't sure what it was going to be.
Well, Brian and I first talked about this idea as far back as 4 years ago. We were in London and we met and we were talking about what different things we were doing and the products that I was doing and how we could bring that to the commercial end.
From a starting point of an empty shell, 4,000 square foot unit, which was difficult to let, we started to think of ideas. Possibly being caged off areas where people could work here and the next man could work beside them. The next thing was we thought about maybe garden sheds, creating their own individual areas. Then we also thought about possibly beach huts, colourful, quirky. Then we also had the ideas of steel shipping containers. Once Brian showed me what he thought of, and he had this idea and he had the concept on a computer screen, that's when I thought to myself, you know what, this will work.
The containers that we used were second-hand containers. That was chose because they were finished with their life as shipping containers, and we took them here and have given them a new lease of life. What we have here now is 13, but we started off with 12, and then when we looked at the design, we took it, it would take 13.
So you can see that's the way it's finished now. We've got 13 steel containers. Each one is fitted with electric. It comes complete with heating, comes complete with rates paid, comes with Wi-Fi broadband, super fast broadband.
I think the Cube is such a wacky, off-the-wall concept that it's hard not to like it. It's just such an open space for thinking.
I decided to take a unit in the Business Cube because I wanted to work more 9 to 5 and in a business environment, and not to take as much work home.
I absolutely love jewellery making, and this is the best place to come to set up my workshop and to network with different businesses.
The main reason why we picked the Cube was obviously for the design of the Cube. It blended in well with our high-tech end of fixing Apple products. Now that we're in it, it's really just, it comes all together, so it does, and we're really, really happy along with our customers.
This is actually my favourite part of the area. This is the thinking outside the box area. This is the place where all the tenants will come out, share experiences informally and have a bit of crack and begin to understand how to run a business or be successful and make money.
I really can't believe what it's looking like now. It's like something out of a catalogue, or it's like, you know, something that you definitely haven't seen before.